Good afternoon, traders. It's about a minute and a half, a little less, until the market closes. We're going to be looking for an after hours trade. So we've got the top gainers after hours list open. This is all from yesterday's after hours, so we're going to wait for it to refresh in about a minute or so. And then I'm just reminding myself as well as you guys, because it's something I just figured out like a week or two ago, is that if you organize the after hours by volume, it's not really an indication of the volume that's trading in the aftermarket. It just tells you the volume that was there that day or in the pre-market plus the day. So there might be no one trading it. It could be like the top of the volume list, and there might be no one trading in the aftermarket. So instead of doing that, as soon as the after hours list is updated, and you'll see an after hours percent change, and that's what I'm going to organize the list by. I also have this list open as always on my laptop, just in case that one refreshes first. It's a good idea to have two sources for these lists. Sometimes my desktop refreshes before my laptop. I have no idea why. So we got about 3 seconds here. So I'm just keeping an eye on seeing when these stocks change, because they should change pretty quickly, because this is the stuff from yesterday. There we go. All right, so this time my desktop beat my laptop. So now I'm just looking for, I want to see the percent change after hours. Otherwise I can't. There we go. After hours. So nothing yet here. Of course, this could be wrong because I'm looking at my laptop and now it has one at 2%. So let me try to refresh and see if that changes. Nope. Yep, this happens, seems like every day. So the top gainer is GPMT, but it looks kind of pricey for me. I'm going to add that, and also OCGN. That's a penny stock. And looks like Fuel Tech is making a big move. Sorry you can't see these. These are all on my laptop. Oh, they're on the list now here too, so let's see if anything's moving with volume. So I missed the second candle entry there. Well, actually that wouldn't have been a good entry anyway. I'll explain why in a second if I get to. Just trying to go through these really quick. Okay, this is some real volume right here. This is a penny stock. Nice tight stop, like a 1/2 cent. But it only moved a 1/2 cent too, so. And it's been trading with high volume, so this doesn't really mean much. And it looks like it's dead in the water right now. CBLI looks really strong. Could get in here. Whoop, I just missed the entry. The last moment that I can get in is for the break of the second candle, and then after that I have to wait for a pullback, which is generally a safer entry anyway, so. Spread's a bit big. I don't like that, 9-cent spread. There's definitely volume here. Especially compared to previous days. It's trading above the 200 MA. So a lot of times, I guess the reason why I like to enter the front side is because I'm worried about missing this move, which is essentially, by definition, FOMO. And the thing is about that is that if the stock is truly strong, there's going to be other people looking at it right now, noticing this strong move, and they're also going to be waiting for a pullback. And then they'll get in exactly where I get in, and it should run up more. So there's really no reason to FOMO. I guess it's, from looking at stocks that sometimes do this and then fail to pull back and then go higher. But, that if that happens, that's just a failed good setup, which is going to happen. That's part of day trading. So it looks like CBLI is still the top gainer. So it's the one everybody should be watching. So everybody's going to be looking to get in on a pullback. Get my hands ready here on the keyboard, on the hotkeys. I'd like to see a couple red candles, but if I have to, I'll get in over here and then I'll risk to the bottom of this red candle, which will be about a 9-10 cent risk, which is nice. It's not bad. But I'm hoping it does like maybe at least one more red candle on the way down, and then makes a new high after that. We'll see. If not, I'll enter for the break of this candle and hope it's not a fake breakout. And then just so I can think ahead here, so that's 12 cents. So I'll be looking for a 24-cent move. My entry is 352. There we go. Got in a little high, I'm sure. Didn't get in. See, I might get in on the pullback. Dang, looks like I missed it. Gosh, that sucks. Okay, I must be in. Now, okay, yeah, I'm in. So that's a little scary when that happens, but let me see, what was I think I'm there right now. So I'm going to sell half because I'm pretty much at my 2R where I normally sell 90%. Okay, this comes all the way back down. I'd love to see it break up over this high here. But I'll have to get out if it hits 357. I got to get out. So I think my 2R, for the position that I wanted to get in, which that's what I have to use, was about 372, maybe 374. Eesh, this is not looking good. Come on, go higher. Oof. I got to get out. All right. Okay, so yeah, unfortunately that didn't do exactly what I wanted it to. I think I still scraped a little bit of profit from it because I sold half up there, which that's probably where I should have sold 90, but you saw how things went. It sometimes Weeble glitches like that. It doesn't show you that you're in the position, so I wasn't able to get a sell order out there as quickly as I wanted to. So that was CBLI. Let's see what we got from that. Sure, it's nothing too impressive. I know it's not because I think I was at 192, so it's something like 40 cents or something like that. But still, I mean, it's essentially a failed trade, failed pattern. So anytime you can get green from a failed pattern, that's a good thing. Let's see. Yeah, 38 cents. So that's disappointing, but and it would have been better if I would have gotten out 90 at that 372. Would have been closer to 80 cents. But anyway, it is what it is. So that's going to wrap it up for me for the week. And let's see, we'll see what we did for the week here. It's not that impressive because I had a big loss on Monday. This was a really bad trade. The thing that was so bad about it was it had a really wide stop, and I shouldn't have gotten in with that wide stop. So that killed me. I mean, that's like basically 50% of my profit for the week is in that trade. If that trade wasn't there, I'd be almost double this. So it is what it is. At least I was able to recover from that. and had a really strong trade here. So keep in mind that every single one of these trades is around $40 for the trade. So the P&Ls percent-wise is pretty good. So that's it for me for the week. I hope you guys had a great week trading, and I hope my videos helped you throughout the week. Just so you know, a couple of weeks ago, the account was at about $500. So this is about a 3% gain here in just 2 weeks. So, you know, it's not impressive. I'm not doubling the account in a month or anything like that. I don't expect to. I'm not trying to. I think that's not really a sustainable strategy. And this is a cash account. It's not a margin account. So 3% gain on a cash account, you know, is equivalent. Just to give you like a rough idea, if you multiply that by 4, just considering the margin you have and the ability to just trade over and over again, you're going to at least be at 4 times that on a margin account. So 12% in 2 weeks if this were a margin account. So anyway, hope you guys are doing well, and hope these videos are helping. And I'm just kind of rambling right now, so I'm going to call it a day. All right, take care. I'll see you guys on Monday.